In this micro lesson, I will give you an introduction to how to protect water resources. And this lesson will focus on the following aspects. And I will show you the agenda of this macro lesson. So at first, I will encourage you to take part in a brainstorm, and I will pose you some questions, and I hope you can think about it. And then I will give you an introduction to how to protect water resources. I will introduce the concept of water. Next, I will give you the introduction of how to use the water. And finally, I will share you some tips about how to protect water. And at the end of the macro lesson, I will give you some quiz questions. I encourage you to complete this quiz on yourself. So at first, you can pause the video and think about these 3 questions. So, do you think water is important to human life, or what do you normally do with water? And do you think that problems such as water pollution and waste will seriously impact people's life? Okay, so I will show you some pictures about the severity of water pollution, and by seeing this picture, we can know protect water is very important. Let's begin. I will introduce water to you. So, what's water? Water is a liquid that gives life to living things on Earth. Water is so closely related to our lives that it's no exaggeration to say that all living things need water to survive. So without the presence of water, living things would not be able to survive. For example, water continues the lives of animals and plants. And without water to nourish them, flowers would wither. Water is very useful, and water is a liquid, and it's recyclable, it's useful, it's colors. And next, I will share with you the use of water. So before I tell you the use of the water, you can think about it. What do you do with water in your daily life? People can use water to drink, to live, and without water, people cannot survive. So water is very important, and people can also use water to wash clothes, do cleaning, and water flowers, and water bring convenience to people's life. So finally, I will share you some measures about how to protect water resources. First of all, people can increase water utilization and reduce water waste. It's a good way to protect water. And people can also multi-use water. People can use the rest water to water flower. And students are encouraged to be cultivated awareness of protect the environment and not throwing garbage into water. So finally, at the end of the class, I give you prepare 3 questions, and you can complete it on yourself. Please pause the video and finish the quiz. So this is the answer, and I will give you a brief in conclusion of this course. So in this course, I introduce the concept of water, the use of water, and some measures to protect the water resources. Thank you for your participation.